Before we jump into today's video, this video is sponsored by JOPDF. If you work with PDF files regularly, JOPDF is definitely worth checking out. It's a completely free PDF editor with no sign-up, no subscriptions, and no watermarks. You can edit PDF text, images, and links, convert PDFs to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or images, compress large PDF files without sacrificing quality, and merge or split documents in just a few clicks. It also includes over 15 annotation tools, lets you organize and rearrange pages, password protects sensitive documents, and even provides a fast, smooth PDF reader and printing options. Everything is packed into one simple application that's available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. If you're looking for a free all-in-one PDF solution without creating an account or dealing with limitations, give JOPDF a try. You'll find the download link in the description below. Now, let's get into today's video. Most network OSINT videos focus on the same handful of tools. Shodan, Nmap, and a few familiar names appear in almost every reconnaissance discussion. But modern reconnaissance is evolving rapidly, and several powerful tools remain surprisingly underrated, despite offering capabilities that can significantly improve intelligence gathering workflows. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. The internet tool names discussed in this video are covered strictly for educational purposes, security research, and authorized assessments only. Let's start with Uncover. Uncover is a multi-engine search aggregation tool developed by Project Discovery. Instead of relying on a single intelligence platform, it allows researchers to query multiple sources simultaneously. This addresses one of the biggest challenges in reconnaissance. Fragmented search results spread across different platforms. Different intelligence engines often discover different portions of the internet. One platform may reveal assets that another completely misses. Researchers frequently spend valuable time repeating searches across multiple services. Uncover helps streamline this process by bringing results together into a unified workflow. The result is broader visibility, faster reconnaissance, and more efficient intelligence collection. Next is SMAP. SMAP focuses on passive port scanning. Instead of sending packets directly to targets, it leverages existing Shodan scan data to identify exposed services and open ports. This approach provides an important advantage. Because SMAP relies on previously collected information, researchers can gather intelligence without directly interacting with target systems. In many situations, this offers greater stealth and reduces detection risks compared to active scanning techniques. However, passive intelligence also has limitations. The accuracy of results depends on the freshness of available datasets. If infrastructure changes after the original scans were performed, information may not always reflect the current environment. Understanding this balance between stealth and freshness is important during a reconnaissance. Moving on to ASNmap. ASNmap is designed for autonomous system discovery and IP range mapping. Many people focus on individual IP addresses during reconnaissance, but organizations typically control entire ranges of infrastructure rather than isolated systems. ASN intelligence helps researchers understand these broader relationships. By identifying network ranges associated with an organization, analysts gain visibility into a much larger portion of its infrastructure. This expands reconnaissance from isolated assets into a more complete view of organizational presence on the internet. What begins as a single target can quickly reveal a wider ecosystem of connected systems and services. Search aggregation helps identify assets, while ASN intelligence expands visibility into related infrastructure. Instead of randomly discovering systems, researchers can follow organized investigative paths that connect organizations, networks, services, and infrastructure relationships. Next up is IVRE. IVRE is a self-hosted network intelligence framework designed for researchers who want greater control over their data. Rather than relying entirely on third-party platforms, IVRE allows organizations to collect, store, index, and analyze intelligence within their own environment. This enables long-term analysis and historical tracking. Researchers can maintain private data sets, compare infrastructure changes over time, and build customized workflows suited to specific investigative needs. Now, let's discuss TLSX. TLSX focuses on TLS and certificate intelligence collection. While certificates are commonly viewed as security components, they also contain valuable reconnaissance information. Certificate metadata can reveal alternative names, associated domains, subdomains, and relationships between internet-facing assets. Small details hidden within certificate records often expose infrastructure connections that are not immediately visible through traditional searches. By analyzing certificates, researchers frequently discover hidden domains, additional services, and previously unknown assets connected to larger environments. This highlights an important principle of modern OSINT. The most valuable intelligence rarely comes from a single source. Certificates reveal relationships. ASN ownership reveals infrastructure scope. Search engine datasets reveal exposed services. Combined, these individual data points create a much larger intelligence picture. Always use these tools responsibly, operate only with proper authorization, and apply cybersecurity knowledge ethically. If you enjoy cybersecurity content like this, be sure to subscribe and continue exploring the world of modern network OSINT.